Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Audi Q7. Before you begin, ensure you have a reliable hydraulic jack, at least 2 robust jack stands, and wheel chocks. Safety is paramount, so always work on a flat, stable surface. Familiarize yourself with your Q7's specific jacking points to prevent damage and ensure a secure lift. Once your tools are ready, park your Audi Q7 on a flat, concrete surface. Avoid soft ground or inclines. Engage the parking brake fully to secure the vehicle. Next, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step prevents any unintended rolling while you are working underneath. Now, carefully locate the designated jacking points on your Audi Q7, typically near the wheels. Position your hydraulic jack under one of these points and slowly begin to raise the vehicle. Once it's high enough, slide your jack stands underneath the frame rails, ensuring they are stable and properly seated before gently lowering the vehicle onto them. To lower your Q7, slightly raise it again with the jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Remove the jack and wheel chocks. Always double-check that everything is secure before driving. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.